Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be tackling the master bedroom. I want to do a deep cleaning in this room, and I want to declutter a few things. I think it needs it. So yeah, I hope you guys get motivated to clean with me. Whatever you need to clean, get it done, get it over with. And I hope you are inspired by this video and get lots and lots of motivation. So let's get going. So the first thing I wanted to do was to put away all the other clothes that needed to be put away, and also make the bed so I had a clean space to work with. Once I started to go through the closet and go through all the clothes that I wanted to donate.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me.
Question for you guys. Do you guys make your bed every day? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. I'm just so curious to see who makes their bed every day. I try. At least 90% of the time I do make our beds. I enjoy it. I like to see my bed nice and clean, and when I go to bed at night, it's always so nice to climb into a nice clean bed.
I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me.
So the first place that I wanted to declutter, of course, was my closet. I have a ton of stuff that shouldn't be there. I wanted to use the top rack for like my purses, so I wanted to put away all these things. I have like little plastic bins that have like pictures in them, so I wanted to put that somewhere else, and of course some other junk. But yeah, I wanted to go through my clothes and take out some stuff that are for the summer and some stuff that I wanted to definitely donate.
Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody.
So some of these clothes I am going to be putting away for the summer. Like, these are pretty light, and I'm gonna put them in a bin downstairs. Look at how many hangers I got back. Under here though, I do have a few things, like this sweater I gotta hang up, so now I got the extra hangers I can use.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh,
After the closet, the next place I wanted to tackle were the drawers for my dresser, and I went through my tops first, and I had to take out some of the tank tops that I really don't wear right now. It is winter, so I gotta put those in the summer bin. Also, how cute is Logan? He always takes off his socks and walks around barefoot, and I try to put them back and he takes them off. It's just an endless game for us here. But yeah, I continued on with the jean drawer. I don't have many jeans, but jeans are probably my favorite things to have, and I can never find the right styles for me. If you guys have any recommendation of where I could get like nice, comfortable jeans, I'm pretty tall, so I need the height. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to check out what you guys like to go for.
I'll see you in a while, 'cause this time I will choose you, yeah. I'll choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs, I need a night like this.
So these are the clothes I took out from the drawers. Not much, but these are things that don't fit me anymore, and I'm gonna add it to the other bag of the things that I got from the closet, and I will be dropping it off for donation.
I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall.
So after decluttering everything and putting away everything that I needed to put away, I went ahead and I started on the cleaning portion. As you can see through the sliding door there, guys, we still haven't gotten our deck done yet. It's gonna be a priority this spring or summer for sure. I know it bugs my husband so much when he looks outside and he sees that. So yeah, I went ahead and I cleaned. You can see how nasty that is. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know it was that bad, because you know the curtains are always there sometimes. But I went ahead and I wiped it down. I wore gloves for this part because sometimes you find dead bugs, and I am not for that. Nope, I wore gloves for that. See how nasty it is. But yeah, I went ahead and I cleaned it, and it was so nice to see everything nice and fresh.
I'm on the sideline where you wanna be. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanna be. I'm by the byway, waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love.
So for the furniture in the room, I was using Pledge. I love the shine that it leaves on them. Our furniture, you can see a lot of the fingerprints on there, so they show up very well. So I have to make sure that I dust it quite often, and it is dark, so it collects a lot of dust too. I think you can see it better on here, how dirty it can be, and it shows through so much. Alright guys, so I am going to leave it here. I hope you guys got a ton of motivation from this video. I'm so glad I did it. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so you don't miss my next upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.